how to find Wi-Fi password. So in today's short tutorial we learn how to find the Wi-Fi password, but first of all I request all of you do subscribe and hit the bell icon. Now you can see here I am connected with this Wi-Fi network Dervish, but I want to know Dervish Wi-Fi, Dervish network password. How you know that, how you can find that? The official and simple method is that you just need to click on the three dots or a setting icon. Then you need to just uh, take a screenshot of the QR code. Okay, now I take just screenshot of this QR code simply like this one. Wait a moment. And here you can see guys, I take a screenshot. Then you just need to go a little down and go to your Google Chrome, open your Google Chrome. Okay, then you just need to go to your search bar and search here SCAN scan QR, then search it. Okay, once you search that, just need to open the first or second, whichever you want, click on the website. Then you need to just allow while visiting the website. Okay, while using, then you need how you can, you just need to click on the camera off and you need to choose a file, click on there. Then you need to click on files. Okay, then choose the screenshot that you captured recently like this one. I captured this screenshot. Okay, then you can see here in a moment I have successfully find out the password of Dervish network, DFGHJKLAS. It is the password, and yes, I changed it. I know that the Wi-Fi password successfully. So guys, this is the simple, official and best method to find out the Wi-Fi password. I hope the short video is helpful. So don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.